This video is going to be a recap of entire course. Unit 1 Spot Your Opportunity. Finding the flow. This refers to a psychological state where you are fully immersed and energized by the task you are doing. Entrepreneurs often succeed when they align their work with what gives them flow, activities they enjoy and are naturally good at. It helps in identifying meaningful startup ideas that you will stay committed to. Effectuation. A decision making framework used by successful entrepreneurs. Instead of starting with a fixed goal, you start with what's available means who you are, what you know, and whom you know, and allow goals to emerge over time. It is the opposite of predictive planning and works well with uncertain environments. Effectuation principle. There are five core principles. Body in hand, start with what you have. Second one is affordable loss. Focus on what you can afford to lose. Third is crazy quilt from form partnership early. Fourth one is lemonade, leverage surprises. Fifth one is piloting the plan. You shape the future, you don't predict it. Identifying problem worth solving. Greatest startup don't solve real problem. This involves greatest startup solves real problem. This involves observing pain point in your own lives or others issues people are actively looking to fix or that can affect their productivity, health, and finances. Design thinking. A human-centered process to innovate through empathy, ideation, prototyping, and testing. It helps you deeply understand user problems and creatively generate solutions. Brainstorming, a method for generating large number of ideas in a group or alone. This is the key to avoid judgment during idea generation. It is used to expand your perspective before narrowing down to viable solutions. Presenting the identified problems. You learn to clearly articulate the user's problem, its consequences, and how it's currently being addressed, if it at all. This becomes the foundation of your pitch or business idea. Identifying the entrepreneurial style. This involves discovering your approach and are you innovative, risk tolerant, methodological, team driven. Understanding this helps build teams with complementary strengths. Unit 2 Problem Solution Fit and Lean Methodology. Customers and Market. Understanding your target audience and the market they belong to. Market can be niche or broad. Customers have varying needs and behavior that you must study in depth. Segmentation and targeting. Dividing the market into smaller segments by age, location, behavior, and choosing which segment you will serve. For example, targeting college students in urban cities for productivity app. Identifying jobs, pains, and gains. From the jobs to be done framework. Jobs, what are customer trying to achieve? Pains, problems they are facing, gains, outcome they want. You map this and build product that removes pains and create gains. Early adopters. These are your first customer who are actively seeking a solution, are willing to try new products. Winning them over help to test your product and gain feedback. Crafting the value proposition canvas, a tool that connects what you offer with what your customer wants. You list your product features and how they relieve pains or create gains for users. Lean canvas. Traditional business model focus on planning, forecasting. The lean approach is more agile. Test assumption quickly, build fast, fail fast, and learn faster. Sketching the lean canvas consists of problem, customer segment, unique value proposition, solution, channels, revenue stream, cost structure, key metrics, unfair advantage. Risk assumption. What do you assume to be true about your user's market or product? What if you are wrong? Identifying this early helps test and de-risk your ideas. Presenting lean canvas. You pitch the lean canvas to a stakeholder. Using it map to discuss strategy and pivot points. Unit 3 Solution Market Fit and Minimum Viable Product. It consists of blue ocean strategy, which focuses on creating unconstrained market spaces by offering unique value rather than competing in crowded market red oceans. You innovate on both value and cost. Plotting a strategy canvas visualize how different competitors deliver on various different features and help you see where you can stand out. 4 action framework eliminate, reduce, raise, create. You should define what you are offering, eliminate what's not needed, reduce what can be simplified, raise what should be improved, create what's totally new. Building a solution demo, a key prototype or usual mockup that shows how your product works, not fully functional, just enough to communicate the idea to users. Conducting solution interviews. You show your demo to early adopters and ask if it solves their problem. You don't pitch, just listen. This validate problem solution fit. Problem solution fit. Achieved when user says this helps, yes, this helps me, it proves your idea solves a real need. MVP. A minimum viable product is the simplest version of a product that still deliver value. It means learning, not scaling, building, measure, and learn. Product market fit. You know what you have hit the product market fit when users start referring others, returning to use your product and paying for it. It means real demand exists. Presenting minimum viable product. You pitch your MVP with user feedback, user stats, or pilot results. This shows transaction and help attracts funding or partnerships. Unit 4 Feasibility Analysis. It consists of cost structure, estimating cost. You list all the major costs to build and operate your startup, development and marketing, salaries, legal, health plan, budget and pricing. Revenue pricing. Revenue streams and revenue types. Revenue streams where money comes from subscription, one-time payment, purchase ads. Revenue type, the model, recurring, premium, licensing, etc. Identifying secondary revenue streams. These are the backup way to unlike merge affiliate sales on data analytics, adding sustainability to your business. Estimating revenue and price. You do the math how many users, what price you frequently they will pay, helps forecast income and set a break-even point. Profitability check. Ensure your revenue exceed your cost. You check gross margin, contribution margin, and net profit. Profit is equal to revenue minus cost. Bootstrapping and initial financing. Bootstrapping means building without any external funding. Using your personal savings, revenue, or small loans helps to keep control early on. Practi- Practicing pitch. You learn to deliver compiling, concise, and confident startup pitch, highlighting the problem, solution, transaction, and team. Hiring and people. Finding a team members who are skilled, values, mindset, build your startup early hires are crucial for culture and success. Team role and responsibility. Clarifying who does what from CEO to tech lead to marketing reduces confusion and keeps the startup lean and efficient.